Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SVTE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday and want to get things updated here. Although before I even go into it, it's a very tricky chart to talk about from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you bought up here at 0007 and you wanted to sell within the next 20 minutes, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, yeah, I get it. There was a pretty big pullback today. But from today, that's 1 day. When you look at multiple days, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a different strategy and outlook going into the trade. And the easiest way to really illustrate this should look familiar to those of you that watched yesterday's video, but just picture all these as stair steps. And from the big picture of things, yeah, I get it. Like I said, the price pulled back. But you can see today it pulled back to that 0003 mark where it's bounced off of 3 times before. And you look at that, so that's clearly a level of support right now. There are buyers hanging out there that are willing to buy at 0003. Then you look at that previous area of support down here, and then the previous one down there before things came to life. And you put on your imagination cap, picture these as stair steps. Hey, the stair steps are still heading in the upwards direction. The stair steps still have an opportunity to build something higher. Now, obviously, if the price crashes to 0002 tomorrow, well, then those stair steps are destroyed. But as things stand right now, at this moment in time, yeah, the price pulled back. So for day traders, depending on your perspective, things look rough. But if you care about the big overall picture, then the bulls still have an opportunity to build that higher stair step. So that is why 0003, definitely that important level of support going forward. And that'll be, top priority in terms of stabilizing. Because as long as the price stabilizes above 0003, that implies the price is building a higher stair step, and hopefully I've done a good enough job explaining and showing why you want those higher stair steps, especially on these 000 stocks. So pull back today, but like I said, today is 1 day. Looking at multiple days, the bulls still have an opportunity to build a higher stair step, so we'll see if they can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.